If you like to make candles for yourself or for sale, you're gonna need the right tools, and this kit here is gonna help you out. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this double boiler candle making kit that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm gonna bring you guys in, give you guys a closer look at this kit, and give you guys a quick demo. If you're ready, stand by. All right, guys, so this kit includes everything you need to get started making candles or soap, except for the wax and the aromatics. So you're gonna get a 1,000-watt hot plate. You're gonna get a water boiling pot here, as well as your wax melting pot. Wax melting pot actually does have these lips on here, making it easy to pour. You're gonna get a silicone heating pad here for putting your hot wax melting pot on to protect your surfaces. You're gonna get a digital thermometer for checking the temperature of your wax, a stirrer, wick cutters, and a collection of wicks. So you're gonna get your regular wicks as well as your wood wicks, the wick holders, wick stands, and wick stickers. Also included is gonna be a hot air gun here. This is gonna be for cleanup as well as for kind of refining your pours. If you have an uneven pour or you have wax that's on the edge of your container, you can use your hot air gun for cleaning everything up. So the benefit of having your double boiler system here is that with the heat going into the water, as opposed to going directly into your wax melting pot, you're gonna reduce the likelihood of burning your wax so that you have a nice, clean wax when you're ready for pour. Your candles are gonna look better, they're gonna smell better. And if you're selling them, you definitely wanna be concerned about your presentation. So everything you need here, guys, to get started making candles. The only thing you need to do is add wax, add your fragrance oil, and have fun making candles. I hope this helps.